Me and Rebecca made it to Paynes, Prairie today.
Okay, looks like there's water right over there.
Oh good, there is water. And we're gonna check it all out. First time here. And see what's going on. Our meter's going off, it's spiking. So that's good. Got the IR going. Let's see what happens. To the observation deck here at Paynes, Prairie. Got people down on the trail over there. We're freezing to death. But we do see some bison. They're way over there. And there's some bison way over that way. So it's beautiful here. At least we got a bench up at the observation deck. A little windy and cold. But what a beautiful sight. Oh look, there's that bird again. I'm gonna get a picture of him. Oh yeah, it's all marshy there, so it looks good. Little arch over there, that's nice. I'm gonna sit on this log here and see if we can see anything for a little bit. Because you never know what might come out. You never know. Struck by lightning, that tree split right down the center, all the way down. We can see it all the way up there.
I don't know what the heck's going on.
I don't know what's going on. Those crows are going nuts.
I've heard that one at a time when I was out.